Hey, what is up, guys? How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing great and you are absolutely fine. So, I am back again and I am live on Facebook. And in this particular Facebook Live, I will discuss that how you can create a high converting Facebook ad copy for your online coaching offer. So, if you are an online coach and you are promoting your online coaching offer through Facebook ad or through Instagram ad, but you are not getting good result, you are not getting your desired result, then there may be a problem with your ad copy. You need to fix it. You might not be able to create a high converting ad copy for just because of that your ad is not converting well, your ad is not working, and your ad is not able to give you the result which you want to get, right? So if you are promoting your coaching offer through Facebook ad but your ad is not working, then this Facebook Live is absolutely fit for you. Make sure to watch this Facebook Live till the end, because in this Facebook Live, I am going to tell you that how you can create a high converting Facebook ad copy for your online coaching offer. Okay, so make sure to watch it till the end. And if you are already watching it live, just type hashtag live in comment section. And if you are watching replay of this Facebook Live, just type hashtag replay in comment section. All right, so now let's come to the topic and let me share that how you can create a high converting Facebook ad copy for your online coaching offer. See, if you want to create high converting Facebook ad copy, first you need to understand your target audience, like whom you are targeting. You need to understand your target audience. You are targeting cold audience, you are targeting warm audience, or you are targeting hot audience, because for different kind of audience you have to use different kind of ad copy. You cannot use same ad copy for all kind of audience, because I have seen that this is the same mistake which a lot of people who are promoting their coaching offer through Facebook ad, they do the same mistake, that they are using same Facebook ad copy for all kind of audience, to target all kind of audience. Like either they are targeting cold audience, they are targeting a warm audience, they are targeting hot audience, they are using same kind of Facebook ad copy. If you are doing so, then you are doing a big mistake. You need to avoid it, you need to get rid of it, and you need to make it correct. Okay, how you can make it correct? You can make it correct by doing some changes. You need to create ad copy according to your target audience. For cold audience, you have to use different kind of ad copy. So in this particular video, I'm going to tell you that if you are targeting cold audience, that what kind of ad copy you should create, what should be the format of your ad copy. This is the thing I'm going to tell you, and in further live sessions I will tell that if you are targeting hot audience or warm audience, that what kind of ad copy you should create. Okay, so this is completely a different part. In this particular Facebook Live, I will only discuss, I will only cover uh, ad copy for cold audience. So what should be the structure to create a high converting ad copy for to target cold audience and to get good conversion rate? Okay, so let me share few points which you have to take care of if you are creating a ad copy, right? So now let me share point number one is hook. Create a hook, and to create a hook you can ask a question related to the problem of your target audience. First you need to create a hook, and to create a hook, what you have to do, you can ask a question, you can ask a question related to the problem of their target audience, right? If suppose someone, I'm promoting a Facebook ad course, and if someone is struggling to generate good results in Facebook, running Facebook ad, then what kind of hook I will create? Hey, stop. If your Facebook ad is not working for you, then this ad is absolutely fit for you. That kind of hook you need to create, right? That kind of hook you need to create. So what you have to do, step number one is to create hook, because the attention spam on internet is very 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 low nowadays. So the first step, even though if you are doing video marketing, if you are creating sales page, landing page, your first step as a marketer should be to get attention, to grab attention. And to grab attention of your target audience, you need to create a strong hook. And to create a strong hook, what you can do, you can ask a question related to the problem of your target audience. Because if you will ask the related the question related to their problem, right? Then they will stop and they will watch your video or they will read your ad. Okay, so this is the same structure you can use to create a high converting video ad, or this is the same structure you can create to create a high converting Facebook ad copy, right? So what is step number one? Step number one is to create hook. You need to create a hook, and to create hook you can ask a question. This is the best way to create a hook. Okay, so once your target audience is hooked, once they are ready to watch your ad till the end, now what you have to do, you have to introduce yourself. This is step number two, introduction. Now you have to introduce yourself, or you have to introduce your company. This is super simple, and your introduction should be on point. This should not be a long this should not be a long introduction, right? That's how things doesn't work, right? Your introduction should not be long, it should be on point, it should be very clear and very clear and very strong, right? So this is point number two. Point number three, once you have done, as I told you, in step number one you have to create hook, in step number two you have to do introduction. After doing introduction, here is come step number three, and in step number three what you have to do, you have to create a story. Why creating a story is very important? Because story build a connection on personal and emotional level with your target audience. Once they are connected on personal and emotional level, then they will take action. If your target audience is just watching your ad and they are not taking action, then might be they are not able to connect with your ad. They might not be able to connect with the thing which you are saying, right, in the ad. So that's why you need to create a story, and that story should be uh, you know should that story should be able to connect with your target audience on personal and emotional level. That story should be look like this, like you are connecting with your target audience. You are going to connect with your target audience using that particular story. That's how your story should be. Okay, this is point number three. So point number four, that is point number three, that you have to create a story. Okay, now here is come step number four, and step number four is offer. Now creating a story, you have to land on step number four. Now you have to introduce your offer. What kind of offer you have? Either it is free PDF, free training video, it can be anything, right? It can be a tripwire, small offer like $10, $9, and if you're promoting your offer in Indian market, then it could be like 99 rupees, 199 rupees to 99 rupees. It can be anything. Okay, so you have to introduce your offer, and after introducing your offer, what you have to do, you have to land on step number four, and you have to land on step number five, and step number five is CTA means call to action. You have to mention that what kind of action your target audience have to proceed, or what kind of action your target audience have to proceed. So this is the format to create a perfect ad copy, or to create a high converting ad copy, Facebook ad copy, for your online coaching offer. Let me repeat all these five step again. Step number one, create a hook. Step number two, introduce yourself, yourself or your company. Step number three is create a story uh, which can help you to connect with your target audience on emotional and personal level. Step number four is introduce your offer, and step number five is call to action. In these five steps, you can create a high converting Facebook ad copy. Okay, hope you have got it. This is super simple. This is not a big deal. And if you are absolutely new to creating Facebook ad copy, if you are absolutely new to Facebook ad, I would suggest you to hire a Facebook ad expert who can work for you, who can give you best result running Facebook ad. Because if you are completely new, then you might lose your money by running Facebook ad on your own. That's why I always suggest that if you have a very basic knowledge or very little knowledge about Facebook ad, you don't know in depth, in detail, then that might be dangerous for you. That might be money losing for you to run Facebook ad on your own. So what you have to do, you need to work with a you need to work with the expert. You need to work with a Facebook ad expert. And if you want to run Facebook ad for your online coaching offer, you want to scale your online coaching business running Facebook ad, or if you are struggling to generate leads organically, you want to shift on Facebook ad so that you can generate lead on automation, then you can absolutely message me. I would be happy to help you. I would be happy to help you to give the result what you want to get. All right. So these are the 5 steps which you can include, which you have to follow to create a high converting Facebook ad copy. Now, if you are completely new, you don't want to work with someone else, you want to do each and everything on your own, still I don't suggest it. Even though if you want to do it, then I would suggest you to go on Facebook ad library, search on Google Facebook ad library, and here you can get Facebook ad copy of your all competitors, right? So you can take inspiration from those Facebook ad copies, and you can create on your own, right? That's how things work. That's how you can take inspiration, and that's how you can take inspiration and you can create a high converting Facebook ad copy. And to do so, let me share my screen that how you can do it. So yeah, let me share my screen video and let me show you that how you can use Facebook ad library to create a high converting Facebook ad copy. So what you have to do, you have to search on Google Facebook ad library. Once you will search, here you can see the link, ad library Facebook. Just you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you will land on this page. Right here you have to search ad. Here you have to set a location, in which location you want to find a ad copy. You want to find ad copy of your competitors, right? So here, if you are from India, then if you want to run ad in India location, then you can just type India. And if you want to target all over world, then you can just type all. And if you want to target United States, like let's suppose you want to target only United States, just type United States ad category mein. If you wanna filter any kind of ad category, then you can select any option. But here I will select all ads, and here you have to mention the keyword. Here you have to mention the keyword. Your keyword should be related to the your target market, to your niche, related to your niche. Okay, so if you are promoting a offer related to weight loss, just you can type weight loss. Or if you are promoting a offer related to make money online, just you can type make money online. If you are promoting an offer related to insurance, just type insurance. If you are promoting an offer related to productivity, if you are a productivity coach, just type productivity. And if you are promoting your offer that is related to like Facebook ad, then just type Facebook ad. That is super simple, right? So here you just have to type a keyword. Once you will type a keyword, you will get a lot of Facebook ads. So for an example, let me type weight loss, WIGST. Okay, let me type this particular keyword, and let me check what kind of Facebook ad copy I will get. So here you can see you will get that sponsored, and here you can see the ad copy. So from here you can filter the ad copy. Okay, from here you can filter the ad copy, that what ad copy you should choose, and what kind of ad copy is working, what is not working. From here you can decide, and you can do spying of your competitor. So that is really super simple. Hope you have got it right. So there are a lot of examples. There are a lot of Facebook ads which you will get, from which you can take inspiration to create a high converting ad copy for your own Facebook ad or Instagram ad. Okay, this is super simple, right? Hope you have got it. So this is not a big deal. It's really super easy. You just need to take care of few things. So this format which I have shared in this particular video is only suitable for cold audience. If you are promoting your offer to your cold audience, and if you are promoting your offer to warm audience or hot audience, then you need to create retargeting ad, or you need to create retargeting ad. You need to run look like ad for look like audience. You need to especially you need to run retargeting ad. To run retargeting ad, you don't need to create Facebook ad copy in the same format which I have shared earlier. So if you are running retargeting ad for your audience, then what you have to do, you have to create that kind of ad copy which generate curiosity, which generate sense of urgency. Okay, so that is really super simple, right? So hope you have got it. So this is the end of this Facebook live. Hope you got some value out of this Facebook live. So all right, so guys, this is the end of this Facebook live. And if you have any question, then you can just message me in Messenger. And if you want to get help in scaling your online coaching business, or if you want to generate leads, if you are struggling to generate leads in your online coaching business, then just message me in Messenger. I would be happy to help you. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All the best. Have a great day, great night whenever you are watching. Bye bye.